So I'm now involved in, I go to the different recovery groups and hospitals and speak to patients there in recovery. So I use my personal statement um, like that. So I started it with me walking into this hospital, trying to like just juxtapose my former in a hospital that I was previously treated in, that I'm now going into to speak to and help these recovering addicts. So the picture I was hoping to paint in my personal statement was, hey, it was addiction's terrible. I was in it. I'm here now speaking to these people. I have since grown through this process, and this is why I think it would make me a phenomenal attorney. I want to be a criminal defense attorney. So that is kind of the picture that I was trying to paint. What are your thoughts on that? Is that like pushing too much on, I don't know, maybe too sensitive of a topic, or am I, by doing that, do you think that I'm maybe revealing too much myself to come off as too high of a risk to these schools?
No, I think it sounds
Okay.
fantastic. My only
Okay.
thought around this is that too many of your essays in the application are about addiction and recovery. And
Right.
maybe it's worth telling another story about some other aspect of your life that has
Okay.
nothing to do with this. Otherwise,
Right.
this becomes a major theme of your application
Right.
throughout. And I think it's worth sharing something else about yourself if you could. So you might
Okay.
have a character and fitness statement focused on the misdemeanors and the addiction, just matter of fact, concise, a couple hundred words. Maybe you then
Okay.
have a separate statement focused on your work now, going into hospitals, speaking, helping others down the path.
Okay.
But then you could have another statement altogether as your main personal statement focused on something else. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.